Okay, cool. Well, are y'all ready to go?
I'm
Yeah,
just gonna open it up real quick.
Okay.
yeah, I've got the notes open. Have y'all tested a little bit with the Dr. Racket or no?
Yeah, like I did all the stuff from the notes, like all the practice stuff in Dr. Racket.
Yeah, I've been trying to get like the include stuff to work, and I don't know if I'm
Okay, yeah,
doing it.
that stuff doesn't really work for me either.
Yeah, it's telling me that like include is undefined.
Yeah.
So
I what worked for something, I remember it wasn't working and I changed include to be require instead, and that worked.
okay, well maybe we can just
Okay.
do that if we have to, because I feel like we probably will have to include in this lab.
Yeah.
All
Was
right.
it the include sort thing or?
I think
Just
so.
like just like any of them, I tried
Oh,
including the
okay.
sort and then the SRFI-1, but
Because I heard that for the include sort, I don't know if it's for all. It's because Racket already has it, and so like that's
Oh,
why it wasn't working. But I'm not too sure. I don't know if
okay.
it's
Well, if it'll work already, then that'd be good. All right. Have y'all started it or no?
okay. Uh,
I'm
Not
about to
yet.
put it. Yeah. Okay, we
The
good.
only other thing I could think of with the Zoom thing is maybe just a view option that we have. But I don't know.
Yeah, I have no idea. I mean, like I can see all of y'all's faces right now, so
Yeah.
I'm assuming it's fine.
Okay.
Okay. Okay, should we start?
Yeah, we can start.
Sure.
Yeah.
Hopefully this one isn't as bad as the last one.
Oh yeah.
Consider the codes below from the function remove item from last week's flight
Oh God.
time.
I'll cry.
Call that remove item given. Delete all items.
Oh no.
The codes and use tools in Dr. Active to detect and debug any erroneous expressions.
Okay, so copy these into the Racket.
So, have y'all practiced with the debugging at all?
No.
Me neither.
I genuinely I tried figuring out how to make breakpoints, but I could not for the life of me figure out how to make the breakpoints. So,
All right, well, I guess let's just try and debug.
okay.
Yeah. And seeing what it says.
So you just hit the debug button, I guess, and then
Yeah. Maybe try pressing go or step.
Uh,
that button will make a single step and then pause again. When over button is enabled,
okay. Wait.
out button is enabled when expressions. The green triangle at the end is where execution is currently paused. Use tools. Alright, so what does it mean by erroneous expression? What do you think?
Like errors? Maybe?
Yeah. Consider the codes for the function. Does he do an example or anything? Is there a
No, like
video?
there's nothing about the deorder. So is this function just supposed to remove like one of the elements, or is it supposed to remove all of them?
Well, it didn't say it removes. Recall that given an atom and a list of parameters, no matter how deep the atom will delete all atoms and returns a list without them.
Okay,
Yeah, so I think it's all of them.
okay, and it's not doing that right now. So we just have to find what's wrong with it.
Uh,
Will delete all. Or does it just remove every instance of that atom? Is that what that means?
Yes, I think so.
So
um, maybe is it because so in that highlighted red portion,
Yeah,
we're only giving one argument rather than two showed in the defined function.
yes.
So I think
Oh,
like before that, or would it be after the
yeah, so it
CDR?
needs because CDR list is supposed to just be the second item. It's just supposed to be list.
yeah, wait, so
We just put atom again.
where?
Because it's expecting two parameters there, right?
Yeah, so would CDR list be the second parameter, and then
Yeah.
we need something else for the first parameter?
Yeah, wouldn't we just put atom again? Because we want to remove the same item recursively.
Okay, so
Or
what's well then wouldn't all of these also be, or wouldn't this one also be wrong?
or I mean,
So
but I mean, doesn't it make sense because you wouldn't just like do car because then you would just be calling remove item with the next item in the list, and we only want to remove that specific atom.
Um, so So we should put Adam there.
I think so. I mean,
Yeah, I think
Okay.
so.
Run it. Oh, wait.
yeah, is that not
Okay, wait, that's right. Okay.
is that not what we want there, right?
Oh, okay. Cool.
But I think
Or-
Navda, I think you were right. I think we also have to put the car there also, I feel like.
Put car.
Or I mean Adam. I don't know.
Oh,
Sorry,
Adam
I'm
up here
tripping.
also.
Yeah,
Okay.
I think so.
Should I try running the thing you put in Canvas?
Yeah, maybe try putting that
Uh-huh.
one.
What?
Um,
Do we have to show it works with that one?
show that your fixed code returns the correct results. Um, is it supposed to work with the cons?
Um,
Hmm. Expected a close parenthesis to close. Are we just missing a parenthesis?
I don't think
I don't I
so.
don't know what that means.
Like the code he gave, it's like that, but that's it did like the code in Canvas doesn't have the correct amount of parentheses, so I was like
Oh,
adding
what?
these to the end. Um, but even when I added the parentheses to the end, it does that.
Um,
So cons. Wait, sorry, what does cons do again?
cons is when it's trying to like add an item to the list. So I'm guessing it's joining those two lists together.
Okay,
Um,
like this one and this one. Okay. I wonder if there are
but I
things.
mean, if we got it to work with a single list, then I don't see
Yeah, but I
why it
wonder if it
would.
works for like a list with like multiple stuff in it. I don't know.
I mean, if it'll work with the list, then it shouldn't not work with this. I think it's probably just a matter of maybe syntax.
Maybe try instead of in the first or in the condition for the list question mark for the first
Yes.
cons. Yeah, yeah, down, down. Yeah, to the right, right.
This,
Yeah, for that car list, could
yeah,
you try CDR?
okay, like that.
Yeah. I don't know if that'll do anything though.
Okay,
Oh, that's probably right. Because I mean, that's supposed to return a list, not a item, right?
Yeah, that was my thinking, but I guess it still doesn't work.
But we got it to work with just a normal list, right?
wait, yeah, let me see if doing that makes it still work with the
Because
regular.
if it'll work with a normal list, then it should work with the cons anyways. And I mean, if we can never, we can try with a different con statement too.
Yeah,
Let's try with our own because I think it might be
Yeah.
like a syntax thing.
okay.
Uh, yeah, cons. Yeah, okay.
Do
I
you
mean,
think
it
the
works.
issue with this is that it's like missing a like an
I
apostrophe?
think it's a syntax thing. So, I mean, I think we can just show what we have there with the
Wait,
other.
maybe.
Okay.
But like
Okay, but it
the last
works.
one, it got rid of the 3 also.
Oh, it did.
And so we got rid of like the 1 and the 3.
Oh, yeah. It just got rid of that whole atom, I guess. Did it
Yeah. I mean,
Could you
we're
try,
close.
uh,
remove
or
item?
just to
Oh, wait,
check
do you think
for
we could
the,
like put the, what was it before? Was it car?
Yeah, that
yeah,
Okay. Okay, wait, that's good, right?
yeah, that's good.
yeah, that's good.
That's it. Okay.
Okay.
Oh,
Good, you
dang,
got
Cool.
it.
Okay.
nice.
Wait, let me save this.
All right, and then we're sure that only one person needs to turn in all the stuff.
Yeah,
Yeah,
I
Okay.
can go ahead and yeah, turn it in.
All right, so yeah, just get this screenshot and then save the file. At least you're able to download the file instead of just having to copy and paste the code, I think. All right, I think question 2 is kind of like the same stuff, but tip, you can enter debug mode and press stop in order to exit from the runtime and reload the interactive mode of Dr. Racket.
so we also have to turn in the code as well.
Yes, I think we like turn in the file.
Yeah,
Oh,
so
okay.
you zip the code with the screenshots,
Okay.
and I think that's it for each problem.
Okay. Sorry, dumb question, but where's the save?
Just here, just get out of that and then hit Control S.
Okay. Oh, okay, yes,
Yeah,
thank you.
and I think that'll work.
Yeah, that worked. So
Also, let me know if my background's too loud. I'm like in a library place. I thought it
oh,
would
no,
be
you're good. I
quieter
think
from
everybody's
I think it's
inside.
fine.
fine.
Okay.
I'm not really
Okay.
sure what question 2 wants us to do. Show that you're fixed.
Hold up, let me read it. Okay.
I mean, does that code not work or something?
Type in the codes. Leave it alone, press stop. Okay, I guess let me copy it in. I'm confused. What's it supposed to do?
What, the second problem?
Yeah,
Like the traffic light? That's,
Yeah.
well, I mean, I get it. I guess you enter like green, yellow, or red, or and it's just based off the input. It's supposed to display it's
Okay,
green,
wait,
it's
guys, I
yellow.
ran it and it said that I like ran out of memory.
Uh, oh, I think what's going on is that like it's a condition, but it's not really comparing anything. It's just doing traffic light green. So it's going like over and over and
Oh,
over
like it's
again.
not like asking a question or whatever.
Yeah, I
Like it
think that
needs
might
like
be the problem.
um
Like maybe instead of traffic light green, we put like color or equal question mark color green or something
Yeah,
like that.
okay. Wait, like this.
yeah.
Okay.
Okay, yeah, yeah, I didn't catch that at first, but that makes
That makes
sense.
sense. Yeah, okay. I guess
Would you put color after each of the equals or no?
I think so. Maybe just in case.
oh yeah, yeah. I didn't see that. Okay. Fine.
Wrong color and then it's green. Okay, so is
Wait,
that it?
that's good, right? I think
Is
that's
that,
good.
think so.
Wait, this is so easy.
Well,
Oh, okay.
I just is that not what it's supposed to do?
I think that is, I think that's it.
I think
Okay.
that's it. Yeah.
Okay, let me grab the screenshot and all
All right,
that.
yeah, that's good. All right,
Okay.
making progress. Okay, so question three, we actually have to code.
Oh no.
It doesn't, I don't think that's that bad though. Create the function clone that takes in numbers a and n as parameters and returns a list with a cloned n times. Uh, so we would have to use cons.
Numbers
I don't even know.
A and N as parameters and returns a list with A cloned N times. That's not fun.
Yeah, it's um
Would it be like, or I don't know. What was it like? Basically recursive and
yeah, so I'm thinking we can do recursive. So we would do cons and then call itself with like n minus one, and then if n is zero, then you just return the list that it has.
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
This one, yeah, this one I think shouldn't be too bad. So we would do
Wait, like what's our base case? Would it be like
if null, right? So if the list is no, because there's not a list in the condition.
like if N is the
Yeah, if n is
N
zero,
zero maybe like
then just
Yeah.
return nothing, right?
Oh yeah, like empty list or whatever.
okay so like that
Yeah.
okay and then else so you said
Else we would do yeah, um cons A. Wait, how would that
take A and then would we do like
would you cons with clone what how would you
Would it be like and
I
or
hate
would it
recursion
be
so
you would
much.
definitely do like N minus
Yeah,
one
you definitely call clone of with a
yeah,
and then minus one.
yeah.
Um,
We could try that. Or
try what
yeah, basically putting clone A and then n minus
Clone A and then. Okay.
maybe.
Uh-huh. Or I guess let's try that. Okay. Oh, nice.
Oh yeah, there we go.
Oh, cool. Okay.
Nice.
Did they say they
I
wanted
didn't think that would work first try.
examples or?
Well, it says 2 examples, so just do it again with like 2 other numbers.
Yeah.
Nice. Okay.
Nice.
Okay.
Wait, I'm feeling good. Okay.
There we go. Last week
Redemption.
already.
Redemption
Yeah,
arc.
redemption.
Yes.
I can do the survey this time after,
Okay, thank you.
yeah, after you're done uploading the video. Okay, so that was question 3.
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay, that's good. So we only have 2 more. I feel like that was a problem that could have been on
The last one.
the last
Yeah.
lab.
Wow. Why was that one an easier recursion problem than the recursion lab?
Yeah, I don't.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, create the function replicate that takes in a flattened list and a number in and returns a new list with each element replicated n times. Don't forget to test if the lists are empty. Um, so, um, so we're essentially just returning the same list, but with each number n times.
I think so.
Okay,
Yeah.
so this is one of those higher order functions, I guess. Flatten.
Each element replicated n times. And they said we can use, would this be like those functions in the notes, like the map function?
Yeah, this is definitely one of those higher order. Let's see if map. It's either going to be map or apply or one of those.
Yeah.
I see. We actually, yeah, we actually went over the apply function this week.
Yeah.
I think it's probably going to be map. Um, yeah, it's definitely going to be map. Apply returns like like a single number.
Mm.
Uh, so do we have to, because whenever you do a map function, we need to have like the function predefined and then you map it into the, are we allowed to use the clone function that we did?
Yeah, it says you can use the function
Okay.
from problem 3 as a helper function.
Okay, yeah, that's good then.
So
Okay.
So you literally just do like map, clone, and then it would be n would definitely be one of the parameters for clone, but the
um,
map clone, do we use car?
yeah, that's what I was thinking.
Do we use car and then n? We can just try it, see if it works.
So like that.
Could it be like car, like parentheses car list,
Oh, like
maybe, and then N?
like that. Okay.
Yeah, but I'm not sure if we have to like iterate through the list.
Yeah, is
I
this
don't even know if we need, I don't even know if we need car
card?
because the map kind of goes through the list by itself already.
Oh,
Oh, you're
yeah.
so right, actually. Yeah.
Yeah, so just,
Wait, okay, I guess I got it. Um,
does it give an example?
wanna look
The
at
expected number
those.
of arguments doesn't match the number.
I
Okay,
think
so it thinks that we're passing in the wrong number of parameters, and
looking at the
are we
syntax
missing like a
from the notes,
parentheses or no?
I think we have to delete that parentheses and then put it, uh,
Put it like
or
Put
here.
it around the,
because
I
in
don't,
page 12 of the notes, it says like display map curve, and curve is the function, and curve isn't in parentheses.
I'm just confused because clone has two parameters and
clone
then
does
the
have two
examples
parameters.
have
Oh, yeah, you're right.
So yeah, because normally, like I don't know if y'all did the power of two thing in the notes, but that takes like one integer parameter. Whenever you do map power of two, you just put the list there. You don't even put like a parameter. So I don't know if uh,
um
Oh, by the way, I think we have 3 minutes for the meeting time, but I'm not sure if that's just
oh,
me.
is it gonna? Oh yeah, it's just 40 minutes.
what?
It says Zoom meeting 40 minutes. Out of, is it gonna kick us out?
Wait, what?
Or I don't know.
It's
Oh wait, yeah,
remaining
why
meeting.
does it say that?
Says remaining meeting time 10 minutes.
Wait,
Okay.
it says 3 minutes for me. What's going on?
Me too.
Oh no.
Um,
What?
Well, here,
Oops.
what if we start a new one and then in the YouTube video we find a way to just kind of like join them together.
Yeah. Okay, wait, let me
If you want me to make a new meeting, I can make it, but I would
yes.
have to leave this and I don't know if the grader's gonna get mad about that.
here, let me take a screenshot
Okay.
just of the meeting time. I don't know if that'll help.
Okay.
Yeah, we can put that in like the
I
additional
think, oh, you
points.
know what I think might have happened? I think I used my personal account
Yeah,
instead of
that's
my
probably what happened because
ANO
when you're with
account.
Tammy, we have the, yeah.
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 Oh,
Nah, you're good.
sorry
Don't
guys.
worry.
We'll just mention it in the survey or whatever.
Yeah.
Okay. Recording again. Okay. Um, okay, it says it's recording, but the weird voice didn't come on.
Yeah, it didn't give a like a notification, but it says recording.
Okay.
Yeah, I'll just make a comment whenever I'm doing the form.
Okay, yes, thank you.
Yeah.
Okay.
All right, we're close. We're close on this problem.
Yeah,
I think
okay.
so too.
Okay, question 4.
So what, it's just about how to do it with the expected open, expected close parentheses. Are we missing a parenthesis?
Oh, I guess so.
Oh yeah.
Okay, let's try that.
Uh,
Oh, oops. Okay. Um,
Y'all just want to try like car list and then N. I don't know if that'll
okay.
do anything though.
hmm. Yeah, I mean, it's worth trying.
So like here,
Yeah,
uh,
N.
do you want the n
uh,
inside the clone function?
question. Maybe like
Or,
put the parentheses on clone, like before clone,
okay,
and
and
then
like that, like that.
yeah, maybe. I don't know.
Yeah.
But
Okay. Uh,
You definitely just do map. Uh, How did I do it with power two?
tried like just map, clone, and then list. Oh wait, no, but
Maybe
clone
map
needs a
clone
N.
list and then and
like that.
Or
trying to look at the notes to see because the only difference between this and like another map function is clone has two parameters.
Um, so turn a new list.
could we possibly try the lambda thing?
Are you familiar with how to do that?
Or I
Basically
guess
make like a function, I guess. Like, did you mean like lambda, and then lambda x, and then like is
Did
that
you try
what did you mean, Rita, when you wanted to the
then use clone?
clone?
Yeah, and then put xn,
Let me see.
and then
Wait,
after that another parentheses, and then list. Or
like here.
yeah,
Wait, okay, so
that'll
this
work.
like okay, so you're cloning everything in the list
Yeah.
n times, but what is x?
I think
Oh wait, was that correct? What's it supposed to do?
Is it
Um,
supposed to be in separate lists?
wait,
oh no,
that's
I think we have to cons it,
Oh yeah, yeah.
maybe.
Just cons it because I think it's supposed to be in one list because we're created four separate lists inside of the list.
Oh shoot.
wait, where do
Uh,
I put con?
where would you put con?
Um,
Would we? No, you don't change the con.
we don't have like two separate lists to put together. It's like mm,
Could we try maybe putting the cons like after the parentheses of the x, like a parentheses cons, and then
wait here.
yeah, or closer to the clone parentheses,
Like that,
another parentheses before the cons, like a opening, I think. Yeah,
like that, and then what
yeah,
you want the clone
Yeah,
one,
that
maybe. I'm not sure.
like that.
Yeah.
Oh no, I messed
Okay,
up.
never mind.
Um, let's see.
I think yeah, I guess the cons won't work because it needs two lists.
Oh, we're so close, guys.
Yeah,
I know we're close. I know we were close.
Hurting my brain.
yeah.
I guess I don't think there was. What if like or is that what we just did? Never mind.
Maybe instead of map, do apply.
I will. I
Well,
mean,
I think apply just gives you one number back. I don't know if
yeah. I
because
think
I think you're just applying like
um stopped. Is there a way we can like,
It's I don't know how to uh, go back to I don't know how to do it with two parameters like the clone function.
is there a way we can go through the like resulting list and then like make a new list or something and cons everything?
Yeah, because we
It's
have
not
that.
complicated though, but
Is there a way we can just cons all of them together? Mm.
I don't know.
So, I mean, after we do all the map lambda stuff, we can just kind of iterate through the list.
Yeah, but I think we'd have to like do some recursion stuff.
Yeah. We'd have to do if
Um, I don't know. I feel like there's definitely a way and we're overcomplicating it.
yeah, it's I mean since we have the clone function, it definitely shouldn't.
Can we like apply columns or something?
Could we apply?
No, apply
Hmm.
columns.
Um,
Or
well, how can
wait,
we
wait,
change
wait, wait,
what we have?
wait. Doesn't append add something to the end?
Oh, wow. Nice.
'Cause if you apply and then
Yeah,
you keep adding
that's a
things to
good
the
way
end.
of, yeah,
Oh my
yeah.
gosh.
Okay,
Yes.
wait. Okay, good job. Okay, let me screenshot that.
Oh, I think we need one more.
Oh,
Oh yeah, just do another example
Yeah,
of
just one random one.
okay.
oh god.
Um,
All right, yeah.
Okay,
okay, okay.
perfect.
All
That's
right.
good thinking with the append.
Yeah. Okay. All right, I'll screenshot that.
I wonder if that would that have worked if we did cons?
No, I tried comms first and it didn't work.
Create a function def each element. I think we have to use the replicate function in this next one too.
Oh no,
Oh,
They'll kind of just
I'll cry.
they just kind of build on each other.
Lovely. Okay.
Create a function def replicate that takes in a flatter nested list and returns a flat list containing each element in the original list replicated n number of times.
Where n is the item's depth?
Where n is the item's depth in the original list.
What?
So 1 is at depth 2, so it's repeated 2 times in the output, while 2 is at depth 1.
Okay, so it wants everything at the depth of n.
So we have to kind of repeat it or replicate it, but based on its depth.
Yeah, I think so.
Okay, wait, so like it takes every element at n's depth and replicates it n times, but everything else stays the same.
I think it depends on like if the numbers like in like more parentheses, like it's kind of, for example, in the second example, the only reason why 2 isn't replicated is because it doesn't have more parentheses surrounding it.
Yeah, okay, yeah. So like
Yeah.
it checks.
Well, it says 1 is at depth 2 and 2 is at depth 1. So that everything at the last item is always just going to be repeated once because it's at the first depth, I guess.
Yeah, well, yeah, but the depth is okay, so the depth is n, right? Yeah,
Yeah.
so n is the depth and n is also the number of times it gets repeated. I guess.
But we get the depth of the item. Don't forget to test if the list is empty. Oh, also in question 4, it says don't forget to test if the lists are empty.
Oh,
Oh, oops. I guess should we go back and do that real quick? Okay.
Yeah, so maybe just do another test or test case where it's empty and then just redo the screenshot, I guess.
So which,
Okay, I mean,
yeah, okay.
here 1 is at depth 2, so repeat 2 times. How would we get the depth of the numbers though from the input list?
Um, I think we would have to, would it be like car and then you'd like car it n times and see if there's something there?
Do we do, would we use the length function at all?
Wait, there's a length function?
I know there's a length function.
Okay, I need to.
I'm pretty sure it was in this week's notes.
Wait.
Or was it? I know there was a length function in one of them. So.
Yeah.
I think the um the nest list though counted as 1, I think, from what I remember. But it's been a while. I remember like it was like the second week or something of
Yeah,
notes.
so that's just counted as like one item in the def because it's together.
Maybe we can make like one function that like just sort of recursively goes through each element and then it returns like the number, and then we can just use that number for like the replicate function. But I don't know if that's like too much.
Okay, wait, so you want to make a function that like loops through each element in the list or
So,
What were you saying?
Oh, actually, yeah, no. I was thinking like for each element, that function would like recursively go through uh, like that list, like that mini list. But if it's like just one element, it would just return one. But now that I think about it, I don't know if that would work.
Wait, do we think we have to use the like currying thing here?
Yeah, I think so. Because
Really, I
currying
don't
is
really
like,
know how to do that very well.
yeah,
I
how would
think
what data would we be?
Um, what the heck? Um, okay, so we're definitely gonna have to do like recursion.
Yeah,
So like, I guess I'll just do the base
we
case.
just need to figure out how to get the depth for each element, and then you would just do, and then you would just recursively call it -1. Are we gonna use the replicate function that we did in the last problem, I'm assuming?
I think so.
Yeah,
Yeah.
What?
so we would just use the replicate
Oh,
function that
like,
we used last time.
oh, you want to use it?
I mean, that's kind of what we should do, right? It's just within, we would put the depth of each, we would have to call it each time, or for each separate atom in the list.
But the replicate function takes a list. Oh, wait, yes. Yeah, I guess, yeah.
Um, yeah, and each recursive call, I guess we can do CDR. Um, let's try and see the length function. I thought it was this week, that maybe it was last week's. Um, Because how else do y'all think we could get the depth?
I think we have to do car because when you car each, like an element that has more depth, it goes inside of it, right?
Yeah, but how would we get like the specific number of like the depth? Because let's say it was like it's like a 6 item list. So I guess the depth of the very like first item would be like 6, right? No.
Could we possibly like do recursion for each, for like basically, what is it called? CDR for the main list. And then once we do
Yeah.
that, we would have to go like
We would decrease
CAR.
n-1, I think. Uh, think we probably have to copy the clone function over too, just because replicate uses clone.
Oh,
Okay.
yeah.
Oh, yeah.
Um,
True.
So will we do like CDR for this one?
Yes, to like,
yeah, we need to do CDR just, um,
I think we need two recursive functions. The first function would go over each element in the list, and the second function would, like, for each first stepped element, it would car down the depths until it um like determines if there's elements at the depth of n. I don't know. That's like what I'm thinking.
Yeah, I think we can do that. So I
yeah,
guess we can do like define find n or something like that. Is that what you meant?
Yeah,
Or
something like that. Like I have the idea. I just I don't really know how to do it.
yeah, I think we can do like
Um,
that. So like maybe we can do actually this is kind of tricky, like maybe the base case could be like if list empty,
um,
find n or something.
okay.
Or like the name would be
Oh,
like
oh
find
yeah,
n.
yeah, sorry.
No, you're
It's
fine, you're
not
fine.
working.
Uh
Okay.
and then yeah, list.
Wait, what the
And
heck? I just got a notification saying the meeting's gonna end in 10 minutes.
oh
oh
yeah, now I see that again too,
What
what?
is going on?
oh
I'm
um
literally logged into my
Yeah, no, even the link was different, because it said,
A&M Zoom account. What the heck?
yeah, it says Tamla Zoom, so I'm not sure.
Uh,
Uh,
hey, we can just do the same thing again, I guess.
yeah. What the heck?
Here, one is at depth two, so repeated two times. Lot two is at depth one. It's all about just calculating the depth.
I mean, maybe, yeah. And then for like the else case, we can do like depth replicate list. Maybe again, but
Um, oh, wait, we should do like a parameter for the depth of it, right? And
yeah.
um, I don't know, is this what we're supposed to do? I feel like this might be overcomplicating it.
I think we
Yeah,
are overthinking it.
yeah.
Because we have a replicate function. We just need to um, find a way to get the depth of each. And then you would just do n-1 each time with the CDR list. Um, why is the depth higher for like the leftmost number?
Like the
Um,
canvas thing,
Yeah. Is
like
it,
the one is at depth 2 because it's I guess just because it's a list inside of a list.
yeah, they have the same depth because it's technically the same atom for the first example. And then the second one is by itself as an entity, and then
Mm, the only way it's like see to do this is to like do 2 recursions. But I feel like
yeah.
that's a lot of stuff. I feel like it wouldn't be
I
that
mean we can try it.
creative. Uh, yeah. Um, oh,
So
some type of card.
well, I mean
What if we did like CDR? Like,
Like here?
actually, I don't know, because I wanted to do like if CDR list does not equal null, then we'd add 1 to n. But I don't know if that's possible.
CDR kind of.
Oh, wait, no, that would be the other list. Never mind. Wouldn't it low-key be like question one, like remove item, but instead of like removing, we just like add one to like a variable or something?
Yeah, this is true. Um,
Yeah. So
um, Oh, dude, I totally misunderstood this question. I thought we were supposed to have two parameters here. It was just one.
yeah, there's only one parameter for this function, right?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So you replicated the amount of times that its depth is. Um,
So the depth of each item is going to be just like, so like in the example, it's like technically, like the second one is technically like a 2 item list, right? So the depth of the first one is just 2.
yeah,
So what if for the depth we just did length of the list, and then as we recursively call it, we do -1. So then like the depth of the second one would be 1. So then we did length -1. Because inside of the function, we only have to call replicate recursive. I mean, I'm just trying to figure out how we would get the depth, and then we would CDR the list, right?
yes.
Yeah,
Because
I think so.
I think that we could use the
And we're recording the others. Cool. Okay, Is there some kind of like built-in scheme function that finds the depth?
I mean, I don't think so. I wouldn't know, but that's why I'm just saying that like we could just do length and then decrease it by one every time each recursive call. Like that's just the way that I would think about doing it.
Okay, so
So we would do because so we would call replicate and then instead of so we would just
what?
do
Oh, replicate.
yeah, because replicate is what we would use, right? Just because and then we're just essentially making it depth based. So do replicate LST
Like that.
list and then it would be and then for in it would be length, but like we would have to decrease it by one every recursive call.
Um,
But I don't that's like what I'm trying to think and like figure out how would we
um, no. Which time do we have? 8 minutes, okay.
would you replicate list? Well, if we use the CDR function, then the length would go down every time by itself anyways. Um,
And I guess we could try to like recursively go through
yeah,
and use CDR.
yeah. Um,
So I guess like we could do CDR list inside of replicate.
Okay,
Possibly.
yeah, the only thing with that is I think it would cut off the first element. But it's like
Oh,
how would you recursively do that then?
mm,
Well, I mean, let's just think how would we iterate through the list? Um,
I would probably like for each element, I would check if there's like a list within that list,
yeah,
like on and on and on
yeah,
until it's an empty list.
yeah.
But my question is, how do we return like a variable, like a number variable? if that makes sense. That makes sense.
Yeah,
Like we return that variable so that that variable's n and we can call replicate.
Yeah.
Do y'all know like if it's like a very like, let's say like it has a depth of 3. If we call car, will that give us no? But if we do CDR, will that
so
like skip the depth
if you
and
call
go to the
car, it goes inside the like the depth.
Yeah.
If you do CER, it'll just like cut that off and skip it.
Oh, okay. Then do y'all want to try to do a recursive function using car? Or
Yeah, well, that's what I was trying to do
That's
here. Like,
yeah.
if no, return an empty list. Otherwise, car the list.
and then maybe we can do like n plus 1 and then it returns n somehow. And we just make n 0 when we initialize it or something.
Yeah,
I don't know.
I hate how we can't have like. Can we have variables? I don't.
I mean, we can. I don't know how to use a variable like recursively here.
Yeah.
It would be nice.
We call it.
So
Yeah, or instead of empty list, could we return n?
Return and like oh, like you want to do like or
Or no, on the one above.
oh,
Like if no list, return like n.
there's no n here though.
Oh, I mean in find n
Oh, this.
there in the no list, instead of that empty list, instead of returning the empty list, we
Oh,
return n.
okay.
I don't know if that makes sense. Cause like what I'm thinking is
But how do you return it?
like um like if we do it recursively, we can do like after car list, we do find n and then car list and then n plus 1. And then once the list is empty, we return n because it's been added. If that makes sense.
Yeah. So what do you want? Wait,
Yeah, up there instead of the empty list
here?
or in
Here?
after, yeah,
Oh,
there.
yeah, what should I do?
Put n instead of the parentheses and the apostrophe.
Is that
Yeah.
allowed?
I think so.
Okay.
And then inside car list, like before car, put find dash n. Yeah, like that. And then I think it will return, oh, and then after list, yeah, there, right there, you would do n+1. Or like after the, yeah, there,
Like, like,
plus n1. And then closing parentheses.
like that?
Yeah. Could we possibly try it just to see if it works, like with a rand?
Yeah,
Okay, yeah, sure. Oh no, wait, that's definitely syntax. Did I mess up the if statement? Yeah,
I think you just need another closing parentheses at the end, maybe.
okay.
Yeah.
Oh no,
Oh,
oops, okay. Oh,
maybe we can comment that section out and just see if find n works for like we can
What
test
if
it with
we-
like a nested 3.
so what if we end the function, like we have the if null list and then we do, so we call the replicate on the list and then with n being list length or length of the list. And then below that, we just recursively call depth-based replicate CDR list. And then because the depth would automatically decrease because we already used replicate on the length of the list. I'm just trying to see if that would work.
okay, so,
Um, because if we can just recursively call, because we don't need to recursively call replicate, we just need to call replicate inside of it with the length of the list and then the actual list. And then after we replicate that, we would just recursively call depth-based replicate with the CDR of the rest of the list. And I think that might work, but I
okay,
don't know.
so,
Uh,
how would we do that?
uh, yeah, that's like, so I was thinking like, you would call, so we have the if the list is null, and then below that we would have the if statement, like, or not if statement, we would call replicate. Um,
In this one?
yeah, we would call replicate, and then it would be with LST and then length LST, unless we,
How do you do length?
I think you just do like in parentheses and length space LST. And then I think that correctly does that. And then what if we just below that, like recursively called depth or depth replicate and then just CDR list. I had no idea if that would work. That's just my kind of thought process on that.
I mean, we can try it out.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Um,
Okay, so, um,
okay.
Can you call like do things like this?
Yeah, I don't know the structure of like if statements and
Wait, let me,
like is that just
know how to do this. Oh my God. Okay, I mean it runs, but like, how would we go from there?
we would just test that with something, I guess, because it ran with no errors. Or could we just do clone? I don't even know anymore. I'm confusing myself. I don't know if we're overthinking this or what.
Um, wait, just out of curiosity, could you put like parentheses, find and like, and then just put like a list of 3, but in like multiple parentheses, then space 0, like at the end.
Like here?
Yeah,
Like you want me to like test the function?
yeah, just to test it.
Which one? The display
Find n.
find n? Okay,
And then a like apostrophe.
Like with like 3 nested lists.
Yeah. Like,
like that.
or just one, because I think uh yeah, it would be to calculate for each A element.
Like that?
Yeah, but just get rid of the one.
Okay.
Yeah, and then another closing, I think.
But don't we need a n?
Oh yeah, for 0. Sorry.
Okay.
Yeah. Okay. Then I guess it won't work. Cause could you try like CDR instead of car there?
Yeah.
And what was the reason for the other way not working? Like the one we
Okay.
just did?
I don't I think did we test the other way?
What's
I
the
don't
way?
I don't think it's gonna work just because how um, just because now that I'm thinking about it, it just doesn't make sense.
Uh, um, no.
Is there a way that we can just change our replicate function from before to do it def based? That would just involve changing because it's the same thing as that. You're just changing, but you're changing in every item.
Could you try just deleting the parentheses for that one?
For this one?
For the highlighted red?
Oh, yeah.
Wrong number of arguments.
Okay.
Mm,
Yeah, I guess it just won't work.
Um,
Dang. This one's quite hard.
Yeah, this one, I don't understand.
dude, why are the practice problems not this hard? Like, when I practiced before this. Oh no.
Could you try like CDR instead of car for the highlighted portion?
Yeah.
I'm just like grasping at straws right now.
Yeah, I'm trying
Uh,
to,
That returned one.
okay.
I don't know why.
Could you try to put another two parentheses around the two?
wonder if, I'm just trying to think if we could just like use the clone
Okay,
function
yeah.
cursively going through the list.
We definitely can't, like, I think that's what we're probably supposed to do. But
I don't think we
the
have to do a
hard part is
curly
just
function.
doing the recursions.
Like,
Um,
return.
mm,
You know.
mm.
If only there were a like built-in function to for the
Yeah,
depth.
how much time do we
Yeah.
have? 60 minutes, okay. I'm gonna start like uploading this stuff to Canvas.
Okay.
Um, unless we would have to make another function to just find the depth of each item.
What I was trying to do for find n. I was trying to
Yeah,
find the depth,
yeah.
but Yeah.
I don't know if I don't know if they want us to do that or not.
Or maybe instead of that empty list after the null list, could you put n?
The empty list. After
Yeah.
them.
Yeah, so like
Oh, yeah, sorry,
yeah.
sorry, I was messing around.
Oh
So,
no, you're good.
I'll put that back, yeah.
Okay. Damn. Never mind.
Um, I have no idea. It's reading my brain.
Yeah.
Okay, we got 4 out of 5 though.
Yeah,
Yeah.
so it's not as bad as
Well,
not as bad as last week.
Yeah.
are we gonna be doing scheme this entire year, or are we gonna like move on from this?
No, then I'm sure we move on.
Okay,
Because I think we're doing Java, right?
I think that'll go much better.
Yeah, Java
Yeah.
will
This
go
should
much
be
better.
fine. Uh, okay. So I just upload the screenshots and then the file, or do I just copy and paste the code?
Just the file, I guess.
Okay.
Maybe make sure that those files that you did download are of the code. But I mean, I guess they are
Yeah,
database.
I'll double check.
Oh, I'm just trying to test it with my own
Yeah,
compiler to see
Yeah.
if. Oh,
for hosting the event, and she was telling me that, she had
mm,
much time?
I think I've got like
11 minutes.
yeah.
Okay,
So,
we mess around.
yeah, I'm just kind of like messing around with my
Yeah.
own compiler.
It's not. It's just element.
I'm trying to see if I can do it the recursive way.
A.
I feel like we're not too far with this. It's just
This. Car.
I just want to know why the recursive part that we tried above doesn't work. Like if like what we have there, like in theory, I feel like
Create list. Well,
because that's kind of how I originally thought of doing it. But
replicate list, linked list.
I mean, we can just turn this in and maybe they'll give us partial credit.
Yeah, okay, that's fine, yeah.
Might try and figure this out on my own time, but I don't know.
Did you figure out the ones from last lab?
No, I didn't end up doing that. I just
Yeah, I said I would, but like,
yeah, no, I don't. After it was done, it was just
yeah. Dude, maybe I should have, because that would have been helpful for this one.
yeah. Well, whenever I'm trying to test, because I have the exact same code as we for the depth replicate, and it's giving me an error.
Yeah. Yeah, I also was trying a few stuff, but
Yeah, I'm just
Okay,
getting a
well,
syntax error, and I don't know why because it's how we structured the other one.
So do we want to just submit this.
Yeah, because I mean, we're running out of time unless we find it out in the next 5 minutes.
Yeah, we're probably not going to.
Have that
Okay.
file uploaded onto it, and then
Okay. Yeah, I'll just do that.
did you make the zip files with the screenshots of the output?
I just like pasted the screenshots into Canvas.
Well, I remember originally he wanted us to just do zip files with the photos and the code file
Okay, I'll do
for
that.
each question, but I don't know if the grader is gonna care or not.
Rita, did you do that for the last lab? Did you make zip file?
Yeah, I made zip files just in case.
Okay, I'll do that and
Um,
Yeah, I think the meeting's gonna also end like in less than a minute.
oh my God. Okay. Well, I'll go ahead and submit it and I'll see if I can like put the meetings together and upload that to YouTube.
okay.
All right.
Yeah, just just send the YouTube link that you end up uploading to Canvas, and then I'll do the form.
Okay, sounds good.
Yeah.
See y'all.
See y'all.
See ya.
Bye.
Bye.